Hello friends. Today we will draw an Halloween art. We will draw a spooky night scene. Ha 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 ha. Let's begin. We will use fall colors in this art. There will be variations of orange, purple and burgundy. Also, since this is a night scene, there will be ample usage of blacks and greys. I've used Sharpie and Kelly art markers, however, you can use any brand pens. We begin by applying tape on the borders of the art paper. I used low-tech artist tape as it is easy to remove from the paper without damaging the paper or leaving any residue. I then applied a circle-shaped sticker on the paper which will later be used for the moon in your art. We then start applying dark colors like burgundy and purple to the top one-third of the paper. As we move downwards, we will use slightly lighter shades like orange and yellow. We will completely fill the sheet up to 2/3 using these colors. You can use any colors that you like, just make sure that you hide all the whites from the art paper. We will make the lower one-third of the sheet to show the ground, so we will use brown shades. You can take 2 to 3 shades of brown and start filling the bottom one-third of the sheet. You can also use olive green in the lower one-third to give it a good color highlight. This is a very quick art and you can finish it in very little time. Subscribe to my channel now and be the first one to know when I publish new and interesting art videos. It is now time to draw a fence. I will use a black marker pen to draw the fence. You could also use a dark brown pen for this. If you are using a chiseled tip pen, this art will be a little quicker to complete. However, you can still complete it with a round tip pen. Since this is supposed to be a spooky art, we are not drawing any straight lines. We will try to keep everything crooked. As you can see, I am using black pen to draw the tree. I have filled the trunk with black color. I am again making the branches very crooked and zigzag patterns so it stays true with the spooky theme of this art. You do not have to follow this style to the T. You can modify the size and branches based on the size of your sheet. I am now using a light grey pen, and with this I am making small strokes to create the halo around the moon. Then using a slightly darker grey, I have made strokes that will appear like the light emitting from the moon. Since this sticker is removed, you will see the white moon emitting light. This is a very simple and easy way to draw a moon in any of your artwork. I will very carefully peel the sticker off now so the paper doesn't tear. This already looks so beautiful. Using a dark gray pen, I will now draw some wavy lines on and around the moon to give it an artistic and spooky look. You can choose your own patterns to make it spooky. You can even use a black pen to do this. Are you still with me? Are you ready to be spooked? Well, you better be. Using a black pen, I am now drawing a bat. Bat is normally used in Halloween art and is consistent with the spooky theme of this art. I have made this bat very easy and I am drawing very slow so you can follow along. First, make the oval shape and then make the wings on both sides. Then make the tail and then the eyes. Using a light gray pen, you can fill the wings to make it look better and a little more spooky. Wasn't it easy? Let's now draw a spider. Do you know how many legs does a spider have? Well, you got it right. A spider has 8 legs. So we shall draw 4 legs on each side of the spider. I am using a black pen to draw and fill it with light gray pen. Now we shall draw 2 spooky pumpkins. In my other video, I have drawn a big pumpkin for Halloween art. If you want to check it out, the link is up there right now. Here we are drawing 2 pumpkins on the ground. Any Halloween art isn't complete without pumpkins. We will use the pen to give it some shading, and we'll use an orange pen to give some shading to the pumpkins to make them visible too. What else shall we draw on the Halloween art? Yeah, a ghost. I am drawing very slow so you can easily follow along. Make 2 oval shapes for the eyes and then fill it with light gray pen so it appears different from the background. If you wish, you can fill it with black pen too. And the art is now complete. Do you like it? We are left with just the last step of removing the tape that we applied in the beginning, and our art suddenly looks so much better, neater and nicer. Let me know in the comments if you drew this art and how it looked. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay connected with me, or else the Halloween ghost is gonna come and get you. Ha 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 ha.